What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Tony. I'm back with another video. Today I am making some shrimp stir fry. That sounds so good. Yes, lose it. My daughter got an attitude. What is always with girls and teenage girls with attitudes? Gosh. But anyway, stir fry. Oh yeah, this is some really good stir fry, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all, $10, bro. $10. And it's the family size, okay? And I also got the shrimp that I'm about to throw in the pan, saute these shrimps. Oh yeah, that's gonna be so good. Hit the like button for your boy if you're watching this. If you're new, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff, man. Cause y'all know I be getting down in the kitchen. I be gonna be getting down in the kitchen.
A few moments later.
Add these shrimps. Okay, bam. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We're gonna have to garlic salt. Remember, we sauteing, y'all. Sauteing. You don't need much. And we're going to add the Old Bay. Not a lot of Old Bay, okay? You don't want it to be too spicy, but you want to taste just a little bit of Old Bay. You want to taste the Old Bay, okay? You want to taste it. So we're going to let this bad boy saute for a couple of minutes till they're nice and pink, or almost pink, because we still got to cook the stir fry and all that good stuff. So we're just going to let that cook for a while. Alright, y'all, these shrimps are done. Look at them shrimps. Oh, yeah. Look at them shrimps, y'all. Here go the stir fry. Oh, my God. I am trying to tell y'all, if y'all ever want to if you ever want to try some stir, don't laugh at me. If you ever want to try some stir fry, oh, my, is that another bag? Oh, another bag in there. We're not going to use this, y'all, because we got the sauce from the shrimp that we just cooked.
That good old shrimp sauce.
That good old shrimp sauce. So we're just going to add this. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm trying to tell y'all, man. This is really, I never steered y'all wrong.
It's got chicken in it also.
Yep, chicken, broccoli, carrots,
Peppers.
Oh, this is really good. Second bag going in. Ooh, chap. Alright, and we're just going to let this cook down for about 10 minutes or so. But I'm trying to tell y'all, man, this is really, really good.
A few moments later.
These stir fry been cooking for about 5 minutes. As y'all can see, it is getting cooked down. It's starting to, it's not frozen no more. As you can see, look at the stir fry, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all, when I say this is some good stir fry, y'all, this is some good if it were focused, stir fry. Okay, this is almost done. We're gonna add the shrimps in a minute. I'm trying to tell y'all, man, this is gonna be so good. So we're gonna go ahead and add the shrimp to the stir fry. Ooh yeah, look at that, y'all. This looks really good, y'all. Look at that. And this is basically done, man. We're just gonna let this. Well, basically, we're just gonna let this sit for about a minute or so, and it's done. Yeah, let the shrimp warm up and all that good stuff. Let's keep it on low for a couple of minutes, and bam. But look at that. That looks really good. Look at that, y'all. Y'all know that looks good. Alright, y'all. I am finally done, man. Look at this. Oh, my gosh. This is really good, y'all. You got shrimp. You got broccoli. You got carrots. What else, babe? Peppers. All that stuff. Oh, my God. Chicken. Oh, yeah.
Shrimp.
Also chicken. Yeah. Look at that, y'all. Look at that bite.
Garlic and butter.
Garlic, butter, and pepper. Alright.
10 out of 10, recommend.
Kids like it, everybody like it. So that's always a win. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you on the next video.